Hello YouTube, hello electric riders, Lexi here. Today's topic is delete Tinder, buy electric motorcycles, because we go for a photo shoot and we're heading to the train station here in Basel. Pick up Colleen, because maybe you recognize this photograph I do on Insta. Yeah, I'm pretty excited because we had a photo shoot 1 or 2 years ago, but this is just a side topic, by the way. And it was so funny with her. It was so funny. She's just so cool. I don't know how to explain. Yeah, you will see. We'll see later. And yeah, right now I'm heading to the train station. She came over from Geneva over here, and it took almost 3 hours to go by train. That's yeah. So otherwise it would take way longer. So why not pick up her with the electric motorcycle and have a blast while riding? Or here, maybe she is already here, maybe not, I don't know. A little bit cruising at night in the city is also very cool, awesome. Over. She wrote me a message, she will be here in a few minutes, so let's stalk her Insta profile first. Yeah, see what the kind of trouble we get into today. Damn man, it looks really professional. She is not a professional model, tell you, but she has kind of talent. So when I discovered her the first time for the first photo shoot we did a couple of years ago, I was really surprised about her talent. She isn't a professional model, don't claim that, but yeah, she is awesome. Camera lover. So yeah, whatever. Gets off the motorcycle. Let's see where she is. Maybe we will find her.
Next time we're back again.
I called my mom and, Mom, where is my She said, hi, you have not listened me the other day.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cold without gloves or anything. So, awesome. I'm such a gentleman. You carry the bag and ride like motorcycle. Best way to do. Yeah, but you have to keep in mind, she is from the French part of Switzerland, doesn't talk German or even just a little bit English, so
We have a little bit German, but he's so poor too.
Okay, yeah, right. So hey, we're heading to the location, and yeah, we'll see you later. And it's here. Say, wait, we have to go here, if we can. So watch this location here. Doesn't look this super awesome, incredible cyberpunk style here. Wait, let's turn around, show you the location. This is exactly what I'm searching for, you know. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like the blue light.
Yeah, it looks pretty ghetto, but with the proper camera and Photoshop, yeah, we can do awesome job.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you're ready. You can get off.
Yeah.
So wait a second. Yeah, now we're here. Very good. Very nice. Hey, welcome. It's Colleen. Now she's dressed different, just to ride around because it's a little bit cold here in Switzerland. You know, it's autumn, and yeah. We set up camera, well, let's do the photo shoot. Well, let me see on camera. Yeah, maybe you see the basic idea with the reflections I want to work. Okay. Yeah, we need more water, So hey, I guess ISO 100 is very nice, but Let's try some dark image.
They look us a little bit strange.
Yeah.
It's okay for you?
Hey,
You
absolutely,
like?
I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe let's try. Maybe you can do the eyes a little bit darker, but in general,
dark?
I think in general it's okay. Yeah. Let's try it with that. So first I take a few photos with the motorcycle, and afterwards at the end all together with you.
Very nice, I think.
Yeah, yeah. But I have to turn it a little bit. Get lost, guy.
Yeah, too much smoke and then. Oh, fuck! I need to clean the car for mom.
Yeah, I guess this is it. This is it, guys. Yeah.
Weet je nog geile beelden maken van dat?
Ja.
Het Frankendorf, het container. Want dat is
Before that was more nice, I think.
Yeah, yeah. I see. I wanna have the side and also the front on the image.
The boy have said and you have a better.
Yeah, but he has no idea.
Let's make me laugh. The people they think they know and they say. I
Yeah,
think this
but
spot is a-"
photography is quite different. You can make an awesome photo out of a messy place if you have that view for art, or if that suits to your style. I can have a great location and can do nothing with that, and this is my style: neon lights, electric motorcycles.
in the photo let's make the round. I don't know how to say, but let's make a perspective.
And it's about centimeters, you know. It's about centimeters. A little bit more forward, a little bit this, a little bit that, until it's perfect. So back to the question. You asked me on the motorcycle what's my age.
Yeah.
What do you guess? You told me 25 to 32 or
43. Yeah.
41.
41.
Yeah.
My mother is 46.
Okay.
More
But
closer than with my mother.
25 was very young, guess. Okay. So now we set up lights just for the motorcycle, and also to have under here the covers, you know.
Oh, my video are
This way it's dark, and this way it will have light, so it looks way better. So and again, po. So now basically we're ready to shoot you. Oh, a gentleman always helps. You know. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's perfect. She's more cold than the weather, and that's making me a little bit warm.
Okay, good. So, let's get ready.
Putain, compliqué, hein?
So, here, can you? This wrinkling.
Check.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't push it too high yet. Yeah, this side here a little bit down, so it looks natural.
Sorry
Yes,
for the-
perfect, perfect. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
But I can't be a little bit.
Yeah, you can sit on the motorcycle. It doesn't fall down.
Yeah, is that the?
It's very stable. Very good. This. Oh yeah. Oh, exactly. Stay. Look at this direction. Yes, 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 yes. So stay. Look at the camera. Yeah. Turn your head around again and look at the camera. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, stay. Yes. It's perfect. Awesome. Photo shoot is done. Now, let's go for a ride, man. So, hey, see you, goodbye. Nah, I'm not like that. I will not leave with her. Come on. What do you think, guys? Hey, I'm back. Back to saving you. Here we go, yeah. Now let's go for a ride with the electric motorcycle and the beautiful girl. Bring her back to the train station and... yeah, what should I say? It was awesome. It was really awesome. Now I go back and maybe later I will do... yeah, let's do motovlog later when we're arriving. Yeah, whatever. So see you later.
Thanks you. Thanks a lot.
So good. So, do you have your ticket?
No, I need to do. No, thanks a lot.
Hey, thank you again.
And yes, you send me the.
As soon as I have some results. It takes a few weeks because it's a lot of work, you know. It's not like some regular photos. You do a little bit grading and then you send it. But this one needs a little bit more work. So.
Not a problem.
Hey, but it was so cool, man.
Yeah. Merci encore. Passe une bonne soirée.
Bye, Colleen.
Good night.
Bye.
And carefully sued for the trouble.
Ah, no big deal, no big deal. Thank you. Bye. So that was it. Brought her back to the train station here. And by the way, hey guys, I want to show you something. It's really, really cool. Meanwhile, I brought her back and discovered the scooters, ugly scooters here. But look at this. Way more electric scooters coming up. One electric scooter. Maybe over here. Let's have a look. 2 electric scooters. 3 electric scooters. And so on. And over there I found some other one. 4 electric scooters. Okay, to be honest, it's not the same excitement as the Energica, but tell you guys, this is the future, and I think people recognized future is electric, of course, man, no doubt anymore. And I tell you, like the video last weekend, a scooter is very convenient to get around town and stuff. I like it. But yeah, I like the Black Beast even more. Whatever, let's go for a ride, man. Let's crank the throttle, get back home. So the question is now, I have 8% remaining battery. Should I go for a charge right here or should I risk it to get back home? I don't know. Maybe I go super conservative. I will make it back. If not, this day will not end well. Yeah, what? Let's try it. Let's go conservative back home. You will see if I get back home and the video is uploaded. If I don't make it back home, maybe this video will never be uploaded. And by the way, I want to say this photos or images I do, they will came up. I will do a shop. You can buy them soon. I think I will start in December. It's a lot work to do, but I will do that as soon as possible. Put it on my shop, so you can buy these images you see on Insta, Facebook, wherever. And also, yeah, I want to show how these images, how they made, how the entire photo shoot and stuff I do, how it's created, you know. And you can buy that piece of art. Just check out lexsummer.shop and as soon as possible the shop will go online, and don't know if yeah, how long it takes, whatever. So check it out frequently. So yeah, whatever. I hope you enjoyed the vlog anyways, and yeah, now I really shut up. But hey, don't forget, write fast, judge faster like always. Lexi out. So hey, just for the hardcore subscribers who watch my videos till the end, you see it, I'm at 0% state of charge. Made it back home finally, man. Yeah, I just want to share my excitement because I made it back home. And yeah, oh, here it is. Yeah, my visor is foggy, sorry. Hey, here we made it. Oh, when it's cold, brakes are squeezing. Yeah, hey, made it back home with 0% state of charge. Yeah, come here back with in limp mode. Hey, today I've done 166 kilometers, almost done on highway, and also it's about 10 degrees Celsius here in Switzerland. It's pretty cold. You see, energy battery. No, don't forget. Whoopsie. Ah, come on. Brap, got a message. Yeah, it's 10 degrees. Scheiß back in the